Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mercer County, western Auglaize County, until 4 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Rockford, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Salina, St. Mary's, New Bremen. In addition, Tama, Mendon, Montezuma, Mattoon, State Route 116 and State Route 197, Bulkhead, Casas and Moulton are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.